going to teach y'all how y'all can make 6 figures online selling digital products from your bed. That's why I'm coming here from your bed. And listen, I've been doing it for years. I've literally made over $1 million on the internet from my freaking bed, and you can too, okay? And to get started, all you're going to need is 2 things. Well, 3. You're going to need 3 things. The first one is going to be ChatGPT. So if you do not have a ChatGPT account, please go make one now. I have mine connected to my Gmail. So I just use my Gmail to make the account. Next, you're going to do a Canva account. You can do Canva free account. Just go ahead and set it up, or do a pro account. If you know that digital marketing and like digital products is something you're going to take for real serious, then maybe do the pro account, but don't switch until you need it. You can start off with a free account with what I'm going to teach you. And lastly, you're going to need a place to actually sell the digital products. You're going to need a platform, a website, some form of hosting, link in bio to sell your product. So that's everything I'm about to teach you right now. So come on, let's go. So first, you're going to go over to ChatGPT and you're going to type out, give me a list of the top selling digital products 2024. Now, it is going to give you this full list of products. As you can see, you have a lot of options. So what caught my attention was the digital marketing services, and as you can see, social media management. I'm going to go up to the #1 top seller, which is ebooks, and that's what we're going to decide to do. So next, we're going to ask ChatGPT to create me an example digital marketing ebook that is going to outline social media management tools, the top social media management tools. And Chat is going to do what Chat do, because Chat does its thing every time, okay? So it's going to give you a simple overview, but we want to go more in depth. This overview is great for like your first freebie or a quick guide, but not really for an ebook. So now what we have to do is basically instruct it to write the chapters of our ebook. So that's exactly what we're going to do next. You're going to tell ChatGPT to write me a chapter for an ebook explaining understanding social media management, social media marketing management. So go ahead and type that in. And again, Chat is going to do what Chat do. Y'all, this is not hard. Like, this is the most simplest way you're going to be able to make 6 figures online. So now that our book is written, we're going to head over to my all-time favorite, Canva. Literally, Canva is my business and has ran my business, and I literally create everything to sell here. We're going to find our cover. So I like this one. It's simple, it's cute, and this is going to be our ebook cover. Now we just got to edit and design it because it's a template. So start off with the photos. I'm going to put a photo of myself because I literally am a business coach. So I am an authority in my field. So I found a photo of myself. As y'all can see, that was so simple to switch out. Now go back to ChatGPT and we need to get our title and our subtitle for our cover. So we need to type in, create me for the cover of the ebook, a title and subtitle for the social media marketing. As y'all can see, Chat did its thing. Social media mastery. I love that. It's perfect. Copy and paste. Go back over to Canva. Paste it in. Go ahead and arrange it. Design it how you want to design it. Place things how you want to place it. I'm going to put the subtitle here and just switch up things a little bit. Again, copy and paste. Put your subtitle. Size it out. That is literally all you have to do. Now we need to design the pages of our ebook. Also, put your name up here or your business name for title, whatever your brand is under, put that up there as well for the author or your subtitle too. So now, like I said, we need to get the pages for our ebook. So go on the top of Canva, go to templates and type in ebook templates. I found one that I like. You're literally going to click on it. It's going to expand to the pages and you're literally going to add the different pages of how you want your ebook formatted and structured. It is that easy. Now we're going to head back over to ChatGPT and remember those chapters that we told it to write out. We're going to copy and paste and go ahead and put those chapters over in Canva. Now, make sure that you read through this, you proof it, and you do change some things out. You want it to be in your voice, in your words, and also you want to put your expertise if you have those. So don't just copy and paste everything. Actually go through it and proofread it and make sure that it's good. But as y'all can see, it is that simple and easy to create your first ebook. You're just going to copy and paste everything in. edit it out, and this is going to be your finished project. Just keep doing the same process for all of your chapters until you are done and complete. Now, what do we have to do next? We need to figure out where in the world are we going to sell these products? Where are you going to sell your ebooks at? You have so many different options, you guys. Listen, we live in a digital world and they cater to digital marketing. So whether it's Shopify, that's where I sell my ebooks at. Etsy, which is great because it is a marketplace already for people looking for digital products. You just upload yours on there. You don't need your own website. Stand Store, Gumroad. It is so many options, but listen, it literally is that easy. It took me less than 10 minutes, step by step, to teach you guys everything to do. So now it's up to you whether or not you're going to go and do it. For me, it's worth it. It's been worth it. I've been selling digital products for almost 10 years now. I have an online digital business making over $1 million online. It is money to be made, and people love learning and people need help, and you can be the one to help them. So now you're ready to upload your ebook, right? So let's say you sell it like for $40, like what's on my website. Well, between $30 to $40. Let's go with 33. I like that number. You're going to sell this for $33. If you listen and you do exactly what I'm telling you, you will only need to get your butt up on this app and sell 10 of those ebooks a day. 10 for 30 days, which is typically a month. 10 ebooks for 30 days at $33, you will make you an extra 10 grand a month. So now it's up to you. Ask yourself if it's worth it. Ask yourself if it's worth sitting up 30 minutes, creating these ebooks, and selling them online. I would choose 1 to 2 main ebooks to sell that are tied to each other so that you're not all over the place in your marketing, and push it and market it. It is so many people that need help with social media marketing. So an ebook like this will sell easy. Whether it's a business owner that needs to make more sales, it's an influencer that needs to learn how to go viral, or it could be somebody in digital marketing that needs to get more results, better results for their clients, and they need to know the top social media marketing skills and tools. So an ebook like that will literally sell off the shelf.